Greetings from a grey and cloudy United Kingdom. My name is Andy Carragher and I'm looking forward to working with CAPP and visiting Dubai this December. Myself and the team at CAPP will be working with you to explore the science, art and practical skills needed for success in the use of composite in anterior and posterior teeth. On day 1 and 2, the focus will be on anterior composites. We will learn how to isolate a quadrant of teeth in less than 100 seconds and the use of floss ties. Quick and predictable dental dam placement is the foundation for successful bonding. We're going to do many hands-on exercises, including Class 3, Class 4 and Class 5 composites, and how to re-establish canine guidance and place anterior labial veneers using composite over the first 2 days. We will also outline an in-depth finishing and polishing protocol that will allow you to create ideal restorations that you'll be able to produce as soon as you return to your office. On day 3, we will focus on posterior composite restorations. Similar to anterior composites, the emphasis will be on primary functional anatomy and developing restorations that not only look fantastic but require minimal finishing. On day 4, we will turn our attention to the oral rehabilitation of patients with tooth wear, with minimally invasive treatment options using composite that will prevent further wear, retain tooth vitality and restore function and aesthetics. We trust the course will result in increased confidence, job satisfaction and profitability in your practice of dentistry. I look forward to meeting you all and sharing our knowledge and experiences in the sunnier and warmer settings of Dubai. Thank you and take care.